What if I told you there's a Faceless YouTube channel that hit 173,000 subscribers in under 6 months using only free AI tools? Just 34 simple videos. No fancy animation. No expensive software. And yet, they're pulling in millions of views and earning over $6,000 per month, according to Social Blade. How are they pulling this off? Just a killer script, AI voiceover, stock images, and smart automation. If you're looking for a low-effort, high-reward niche to start your own Faceless YouTube channel without showing your face or spending a dime, this is the only video you need to watch. Because today, I'm handing you their exact strategy, step by step, using 100% free AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your own automated Faceless channel in one of the most underrated and profitable niches out there. So smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. First, what's this channel all about? Imagine this. Your videos are helping someone's grandma stay healthy, and at the same time, you're building passive income without showing your face or spending a single dollar. That's the power of this niche, because the videos target 3 groups of people: seniors aged 60 plus, their caregivers or family members, and health-conscious adults preparing for aging. Let me show you an example from one of their viral videos. Pause and look closely. What do you see? Just a simple logo, a doctor avatar, some stock images, and a subscribe button. That's it. Now you see why this niche is so easy to scale. Now let's clone this exact strategy step by step. To make your life easier, I've compiled all the prompts I'll be using in this video into one easy doc. Grab it from my Discord, link in description. If you downloaded the doc, type "got the doc" in the comments. Let's see how many of us are building this together. Step 1. Create your channel identity, name, logo, banner. The first thing you need is a unique channel name and a clear description. This helps your brand stand out and makes your channel feel more trustworthy and professional. Here's how to do it 100% free. Head over to ChatGPT. You can use the free version and enter the first prompt from my prompt doc. If you don't like the first batch of names, just regenerate until one clicks. I personally went with Zestful Years. Catchy, right? Now for the description. Paste in the second prompt from the doc, and ChatGPT will write a clean, compelling summary that speaks directly to your audience. Next up, the logo. You can either use Canva to design one manually, or use Leonardo AI to generate it automatically. And yes, it's free. Just copy the channel logo prompt from the doc, paste it into Leonardo AI, and add the name you picked earlier. For example, I typed in Zestful Years, and boom, Leonardo gave me 4 stunning logo options instantly. Pick the one you like best and save it. We also need a YouTube banner. Let's keep it clean and minimal. Here's what I did. Choose a simple slogan. I went with "Leave Stronger Daily." Copied the banner prompt from the doc. Pasted it into Leonardo AI. And instantly got a polished banner image that fits our niche perfectly. Step 2. Set up the YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and create a new channel. Upload your logo and banner. As you can see here, everything fits perfectly and looks branded. Now let's optimize it. You need to add tags that help YouTube understand your niche. Here's how. Go to rapidtags.io. Type in keywords like senior health. Copy the suggested tags. Go back to your YouTube channel, settings, channel, basic info, paste the tags. And that's it. Your channel branding and SEO foundation is complete. Step 3. Generate viral video ideas. Now that your channel is set up and looking sharp, it's time to generate viral video ideas that attract clicks and keep viewers watching. After studying top-performing videos in this exact senior health niche, I created a highly tuned video idea prompt. You'll find that prompt in the doc I shared. Just paste it into ChatGPT and prepare to be blown away. Here's what I got. I generated 20 click-worthy video ideas, and they're all bangers. If you're loving these prompts so far, smash the like button. It helps more creators find this and keeps the free value coming. Oh, and by the way, did you notice that everything we've done so far has cost $0? Seriously, not one dime. And if you're still watching at this point, you're already ahead of 90% of people who quit too soon. It tells me you're serious about building your YouTube automation empire, and for that, you've got my full respect. Now let's keep going. Step 4. Craft retention-driven scripts, the easy way. Once you've picked a great video idea, the next step is writing a script that keeps people watching. But don't just ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script that'll give you something bland and robotic. I created a custom script writing prompt. You'll find this prompt in the doc. Here's how I used it for the topic: foods you must avoid after 60. They harm your heart and joints. Paste the custom prompt into ChatGPT. Insert your topic. Ask ChatGPT to generate just part 1 of the script, since the full version might be 2,000 to 3,000 words long. Once part 1 is done, just type "continue," and ChatGPT will pick up right where it left off. You'll get a full script that's informative, well-structured, and optimized for watch time and retention. Just like that, you now have a YouTube-ready script for your first viral video. Let's keep it rolling. Step 5. Create free AI voiceovers. Forget expensive voiceover tools. We're using Microsoft Clipchamp's built-in text-to-speech tool, and yes, it's 100% free. Here's how to do it. Go to clipchamp.com. Sign in with your Google account. Create a new project. Click text-to-speech. Paste in your script. You can do it one segment at a time for long scripts. Choose a deep, trustworthy, and energetic voice, ideal for a senior health channel. Click Generate. Download the video, MP4. We'll extract just the audio during editing. Boom! You now have a natural-sounding voiceover, perfect for your niche, and it didn't cost you a penny. Step 6. Prepare your visuals. Before we jump into editing, let's talk visuals. And here's the good news. This niche is one of the easiest when it comes to visuals. You just need images, and most of them are free. Head over to these sites to find high-quality, royalty-free images. Pexels, Pixabay, Freepik, and Pinterest. Just search for terms that match each paragraph in your script. And here is one visual you must include in your video. The image of a doctor. And here is why. Because it instantly adds credibility, authority, and trust. Even though we're content creators, your audience will feel like they're getting expert advice, which keeps them watching. You can grab a doctor image from Freepik or Pinterest, or use AI tools like Leonardo AI or Bing Image Creator to generate one. I also recommend downloading a gradient background to use as your visual base. Search Pinterest for gradient background landscape. Look for something soft, minimal, and calming. It'll make your images pop and keep your visuals clean and professional. Now that you've got your voiceover, your images, your doctor visual, and your background, you're officially ready for the next step. Real quick, which part are you finding easiest so far? Voiceover, visuals, or the scripting? Let me know in the comments so I know what to dive deeper into next time. Step 7. Edit everything together. Now it's time to bring everything together inside CapCut, which is completely free and works on both PC and mobile. Here's exactly how I do it. Open CapCut and click New Project. Import all your assets. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline first. If your voiceover is inside a video file, right-click and choose Extract Audio. Once the audio is extracted, delete the video clip. We only need the audio. Next, drag in the gradient background and stretch it to cover the full length of your voiceover. Make sure it fills the entire frame, 16:9. Now, let's add the decorative borders. Go to CapCut's built-in library, pick a nice floral design, and place one at the top and another at the bottom of the frame. Resize them so they look clean and professional. Drag your channel logo into the project and place it in the bottom left corner. If the logo has a background, use CapCut's background remover to clean it up. You can also add a soft animation like fade in to make it look smooth. Now bring in the doctor avatar image. Remove its background using CapCut's remover tool. Position it somewhere prominent, either at the bottom right or side by side with the text. You can animate this image too if you want a subtle zoom or bounce effect. Let's move on to captions. CapCut makes this super easy with its auto captions tool. Click Text, Auto Captions. Select the voiceover track and hit Create. CapCut will generate the subtitles in seconds. Customize them using the Caption Style tab. Choose a style that matches your video vibe. Now it's time to layer in the matching visuals. This is simple. Just listen to the voiceover and add a related stock image for each key sentence. For example, if the script says, "Many seniors suffer from knee pain," go download a stock photo of an older man holding his knee. If the next line talks about chest pain, find a relevant photo for that. Place each image at the right moment on the timeline. To avoid a static feel, add subtle zoom-ins or pan effects using CapCut's keyframe tool. Optionally, you can add transitions between images, just soft fades or slides, to keep things flowing naturally. Don't go overboard. Smooth and simple is best. Once everything is placed and looks good, preview the full video. Adjust timing if needed, especially making sure images align nicely with the voiceover. Finally, export your video in 1080p or higher resolution for the best quality. Then upload it to your channel. With this setup, you've just built a fully automated faceless YouTube channel from script to upload using 100% free tools. If you follow this step-by-step method, you can start your own faceless YouTube channel today, for free. You don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need any expensive tools. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe for more, and leave a comment letting me know. What niche do you want to start your faceless channel in? I might just break that down in my next video. Good luck, and take action today.